Sarah Wood. I'm a nutrition and health education specialist with the University of Missouri Extension, and today we're going to be making a dark chocolate cherry smoothie. So if you are a chocolate lover like me, this is a really great way to get a nice healthy treat while still indulging that sweet tooth that you have. It's really easy to make too, so we'll follow along. So in my blender here, I'm just going to add a banana. A nice ripe banana is really good to have. So just break it up into a few pieces, add that in. I also have some frozen cherries. You can use fresh cherries if you'd like, but they tend to be kind of expensive. I like buying the frozen cherries because I can get them year-round for the same price. These are dark sweet cherries. You could also use the tart sour cherries if you'd like. There's enough sweetness in there to definitely counteract the tartness of the tart cherries, but today we're going to use the dark sweet. So I'm just going to open those up. I like to have frozen fruit because I feel like that helps to give you a nice frozen texture without having to add ice and dilute down your smoothie. So we need roughly close to a cup, about 3/4 to a cup of fruit. So I'm just going to measure that out. And then I'll add that right into my blender. I'm also going to use some vanilla Greek yogurt. I like the Greek yogurt because it has more protein in it. You still have really great source of calcium, but higher protein. You could use the plain yogurt if you'd really like to cut back on the sugar, but I tend to prefer the vanilla. But it's just a personal choice. So I need about a cup of this yogurt. I'm just going to add that into the blender. Use my spoon to help me get that out. I'm also going to add some cocoa powder for that chocolatey taste. So about just a tablespoon is all that we really need of this cocoa powder. It's going to be plenty to give a nice chocolatey flavor. If you'd really like, you could probably throw in some little mini chocolate chips if you really wanted to, but honestly I think this gives it just enough chocolate taste without all the extra sugar and fat that some of those chocolate chips might have for us. Milk is an optional ingredient. The more milk you add, the thinner your smoothie will be. So if you want to be able to drink this through a straw, you'll add a little bit more milk. If you like yours nice and thick, you'd add just a little splash or none at all, depending on how you like it. I'm just going to add a little bit to help it come together. Put my lid on so we don't make a mess. We'll probably make a mess anyway. And then just... Okay, and so now you have your smoothie. Just a couple of minutes, and we'll pour this out into a couple of glasses. Nice chocolate cherry smoothie. If you wanted to get fancy, you could even do a few chocolate curls on top. That would be really pretty. But this is perfect for whether it's your breakfast on the go, after school snack, or if you're craving something sweet late at night. This is a perfect lower calorie, nutrient dense option that you can use to satisfy that chocolate craving.